To the story now, the Umphakathi Wesizwe civic movement mobilized various civic organizations and Soweto community members to deliver a memorandum of demands to the city of Johannesburg earlier today. Now, the group alleges that nepotism and corruption are prevalent in the city's hiring process. They are calling for action to be taken to address these issues.
Intshukumo umphakathi wesizwe ibambe umngcelele yasingisa kwisakhiwo seofisi zesixeko saseGoli ukuyokuvakalisa izikhalo zayo nokugqithisa uxwebhu lwezinyanzeliso. Umphakathi wesizwe uthi uchasa umba wobuqhophololo ukunikezwa kwamathuba kubemi bangaphandle ukuquka nomkhwa wokuqeshwa kwabantu ngokuzalana kwabo emisebenzini.
We are here as civilians and we are here to state to our Joburg municipality the fact that number one, this thing of nepotism and foreigners being hired for top positions, such that then there's also the issue of cadre deployment, and while Sowetans are hungry. Right now, I keep my positions for EPWP. EPWP are 3-month contracts. And then from there, it seems like we are going to be dependent on these 350s. I'm 51 years old. I have 2 kids. And I don't have a relationship with my kids because I don't have money. I'm sick of this because I'm a postgraduate. I have certificates. I do qualify for positions, and yet I'm being sidelined because I don't have friends in top positions. We want all of that to be addressed. We want Soweto to come back to the people of Soweto. We want Joburg back to the Joburgers.
Abangabahlali abathi banyamezele de umonde wabo waphela besithi kungoku nje bayashukuma ukuthathela kubo igunya labo njengabahlali ukulwela okukokwabo.
We are now supposed to compete for jobs within our municipality. We're saying time up. You better wake up. Whoever says they want to be voted for, we are getting sick and tired of politics and politicians. We are now going to take back the law, back into the civilians' hands. We are no longer going to be entertaining politics and politicians. Time is ticking. In 2040, we will be voting for a foreign national to come and rule in South Africa, not in our watch. We are not going to come to vote. We want their foreign national friends that they've just issued IDs to come and vote for them. We know that they're issuing IDs to foreigners. All of a sudden, they're naturalizing foreigners, giving them South African identity cards so that they can increase their chances of being voted back into power. That is not going to happen. We, as South Africans, we are hungry and we are getting tired because the foreigners are saying South Africans are lazy. There's no such. They are taking everything, spaza shops, corners, every corner in Soweto. You go there, you'll find them in our corners.
Aba bahlali bathi sele beqalile nje ukuvakalisa ilizwi labo baza kuqhubeka bemanyene de kufezekiswe iimfuno zabo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.